Hi there, this is Bob Burridge, and I'm here for another pep talk for you. Commissions. I hear this all the time, commissions. Let me tell you what a commission is, and let me tell you what a commission is not. I love commissions, provided you do it the way I call the goof-proof way, that everyone seems to be so afraid of doing them. I love doing them, and let me show you what I like to do. How many of you have heard this? Hey, the next time you do a painting like this, I might buy it. That's not a commission. All right. Also, here's another one I love this one. Do you have this painting in a red? What the heck? Oh, do you have this painting in a smaller size? I mean, this is not buying dresses, folks. This is your life. This is your career, and this is your talent and gift. So commission is this, and I call them goof-proof because when someone says, geez, I'd really like to have you do a commission, you're gonna have to say, I'd love to do one. Don't say, oh, I don't do those kinds. No, I love to do those. And here's how you do it. You give them a questionnaire. I have it on one sheet. How tall is it? How wide is it? Things like that. What colors do you want to have dominant in it? Which style did I do? Which one do you want to do? It's all those things. So if it's one person and you only deal with one person, this is not a committee decision, all right? And you have that one person fill out your questionnaire. If it's a couple, oh boy, you still hand out one questionnaire and leave town. You're not a marriage counselor. And when they have it all filled out, and on the bottom of your questionnaire, it says, I get 50% down commission on the commission before I even begin. It's a down payment. That means now it's a business deal. And they're serious, and you're serious. You're not a hobbyist. All right? So now they know this is exciting. They're as excited about it as you are. Might be the first time for them. Might be the first time for you. But this is how it works. So after that check clears on the down payment, now I pick up my pencil and my brushes and I begin my painting. It's pretty simple. Now, the painting's done. You let them know when you're going to be delivering the painting, and you let them know that you will be delivering the painting to the person that signed the questionnaire. That's the only person in the room, or the couple that's in the room. Not the mother-in-law, not the kids, not the next door neighbors. Everyone's going to have an opinion because they were not included at the beginning. So you deal with that one person or the one couple. And then you say, thank you very much. They're going to love you, by the way. And you pick up the second half of that check, all right? And leave town. Don't sit there and start trying to justify everything, especially because that's when all the neighbors are going to be coming over and looking at this exciting project that you did. All right. So that's my way of doing the Goof-Proof Commission. I hope you get them. This is a great time to do them. People aren't going to galleries and not going out to museums as much. And so now they can call you up and say, geez, I love your work and I need to buy some art. That's what you want to hear. And say, I'm happy to make that art for you. And then here's my questionnaire. And you fill it all out. They sign it. Pick up your half your deposit check. And that's when you get started. Hey, I hope this helps and takes the scary part out of commissions. That way it's a win-win for everybody. Remember, they're as nervous as you are. This is an exciting project for me when I do commissions. It's almost like a school project. Here's your assignment. And there may not be the colors that you like to use. And that's what I liked about it. It challenged me even more. It's a fun project. I hope you get more commissions. So try it. Fill out that questionnaire. You fill it out in English. Be very specific. When I say English, I mean don't do art speak, and be very specific. Nobody likes anything up in the air before they get started on a project. All right, we don't like surprises. So I hope this helps you and eases the pain in getting into some commissions. I call them goof-proof. I've done many, many of them. They seem to have all worked. Hey, I'm just saying, you can do it your way, but This is Bob's way. Thanks for watching. I hope this inspires you to go out and say yes to all those commissions.